Hello friends, welcome to day 4. Let's understand Uttama Vaidya, Murkha Vaidya, Chadmachara Vaidya Lakshana and Pranabhisara Vaidya and Rajarya Vaidya with reference in detail.
We are discussing important questions for BA, MS, CIA, PGT, next exam, AMO exam, Ayurveda, Ayush, PSC, MD and MS entrance, MPHA and MHA. Important questions. Let's start. Vipaka of Vidari Kanda medicinal plant. Options are Madhura, Amla, Kattu and Kashaya. The correct answer is Vidari Kanda having okay Madhura Vipaka. The Pradhana rasa present in the Vidari is a Madhura rasa and Vipaka also Madhura. Okay, it is a Shita Virya Dravya. Okay, tell me in the comments what is the botanical name and family name. It is a Puraria tuberosa and it is belong to the Leguminaceae family. Okay, the useful part or the Prayojananga of Vidari is its Kanda itself. Okay, so it is also called as a Vidari Kanda, Gajavaji Priya, Swadu Kanda. Next question, Sarpadamsha Bheda according to Vagbhatacharya. Reference is Ashtanga Hridaya Uttara Tantra. How many Sarpadamshas explained by Vagbhatacharya in Ashtanga Hridaya? Options are 3, 5, 8 and 10. Okay, important in Ashtanga Hridaya, okay, Uttara Tantra, Vagbhatacharya explained total 5 types of Sarpadamsha. Okay, and again Charaka Acharya explained 3 types of the Sarpadamsha. And Sushrutacharya Acharya also explained okay 3 types of Sarpadamsha. They are the Sarpita, Radita and okay Nirvisha, 3 types of Sarpadamsha. If you have any questions regarding Sarpa or the Sarpa Veda, Sarpadamsha and Sarpa Chikitsa and Sarpa okay Visha Upakrama, 24 Upakrama, if you have any questions, write your questions in the comments. Next question, total number of fascia in female. Next question, total number of fasces in female. Fascia, nothing but muscles. Options are 500, 520, 600, 700. Okay, fasces are nothing but the muscular system. In modern science, we will study is about okay 3 types of muscles. There are the skeletal muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. In Ayurveda, okay, Sushrutacharya explained mainly 500 of the okay muscles explained in the Peshi Sharira. In Rachana Sharira, we have already studied. Okay, in males we will see complete 500 fasces. In female, okay, we will see the okay again 20 extras. So total 500 plus 20, 520 fasces in the females. Okay, 500 in the males and 520 in the females. If you have any questions regarding Peshi, okay, how the mounts are converted into the Peshi by the effect of Vayu, if you have any questions, ask in the comment. Reference is Sushruta Samhita Sharira Sthana 5th chapter 40 shloka. Next question, which of the following not accepted by the Sushrutacharya in Kushta Veda? Options are Kapala, Kakanaka, Siddhma and Visarpa. Okay, correct answer is the Siddhma Kushta Veda not accepted by Sushrutacharya. Okay, Sushrutacharya also explained okay mainly 18 types of Kushta Veda. Again okay in that Shudra Kushtas are the 11 in number and Maha Kushtas are okay 7 in number. It is already explained in the okay Sushruta Samhita Nidana Sthana 5th chapter and in the Sushruta Samhita Chikitsa Sthana 9th chapter. Next question, what is the atomic number of Parada or Hg mercury? Options are 80, 200, 66, 72. Okay, mercury is in periodic table, okay, it is a 80 number. So atomic number is 80 and atomic weight is a 200. Okay, what is the specific gravity of the mercury is a 13.6. Okay, what are the 5 types of Parada and again okay types of Parada and the okay the Shodhana of the Parada. If you have any questions regarding okay Parada or the mercury, write in the comments. Next question, the normal rectal temperature. Options are 35 degrees Celsius to 37 degrees Celsius, 36.6 to the 38 degrees Celsius, 38 to the 40 degrees Celsius, 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, in average human, normal rectal temperature is 36.6 to the 38 degrees Celsius. Okay, normal, what is the normal body temperature? Write in the comments. Next question, Viruddhahara explained by the Charaka Acharya in Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana. In Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana in which Chatushka? Options are Vaishesha Chatushka, Nirdesha Chatushka, Anapana Chatushka and Swastha Chatushka. Yes, okay. In Charaka Acharya okay explained about Viruddhahara in the 26th chapter at 98 sloka. Mainly okay 18 types of Viruddhahara is explained by Charaka Acharya. Okay, so 26th chapter we can okay differentiate with the 26th chapter as okay all the Chatushkas. Okay, in Sutra Sthana we will deal with 7 Chatushka. We will remember with the help of okay BSNL Kriya. Okay, it is given by our seniors. Okay, one of the easiest way. Vaishesha Chatushka, Swastha Chatushka, Nirdesha Chatushka, Kalpana Chatushka, Roga Chatushka, Yojana Chatushka, Anapana Chatushka and okay Sangradoya. So 24 to the okay 28th chapter comes under the Anapana Chatushka. So correct answer is option C. Next question, Dhamarga Badisha accepted okay how many types of rasa? Okay, it is one more Sambhashya Parishad. Okay, it is included in the one more Sambhashya Parishad explained by Charaka Acharya. It is explained in the Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana 25. Dhamarga accepted how many rasas? Options are 5, 8, 6 and 4. Okay, correct answer is Dhamarga accepted total 8 types of the rasas. Okay, if you have any questions regarding okay rasa and rasa bheda about different acharyas in okay 25 chapter or okay about the 152 agraya dravya explained in the 25 chapter, if you have any questions ask in the comments. Next question, Amla Vipaka dravya having the property they are the Vatala or the Kaphavardhaka, Pitta Kruta or the Kapahara. Okay, Amla Vipaka means okay they are the mainly having Amla rasa predominant. So Amla Vipaka dravyas are okay mainly predominant of Prithvi and Jala Mahabhuta, so they are the okay Kaphavardhaka dravyas. Option B is correct. Next one is okay Pranabhisara Vaidya explained in which chapter of the Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana? Options are Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana 24 chapter, Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana 29 chapter, Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana 1st chapter, Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana 9 chapter. Okay, when we are discussing about the okay Vaidyas in Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana okay 1st chapter, Charaka Acharya okay explained about the mainly Uttama Vaidya, okay Murkha Vaidya and Chadmachara Vaidya. In Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana 9th chapter, Charaka Acharya okay explained about the Pranabhisara Vaidya and Rajarya Vaidya. Okay, in Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana 29 chapter, again Charaka Acharya explained about okay Pranabhisara Vaidya and Rajarya Vaidya. Okay, here important is okay what is the option? Correct answer is Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana 29 chapter. Okay, if you have any questions regarding the Pranabhisara Vaidya, Raja Vaidya or the Uttama Vaidya, you can ask questions in the comments. Next question, Peya Manda Vilapi are included in which Ahara Varga? Okay, options are Harita Varga, Madhya Varga, Kratana Varga and Ahara Yoni Varga. Okay, Manda Peya and Vilapi, okay, these are the formulations of okay rice or the okay Tandula. So these are all are included in the Kritana Varga. Okay, important is in Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana 27 chapter. Okay, Charaka Acharya explained okay, mainly 12 types of Ahara Vargas. In that, okay, Mandapaya Vilipis are included in Kritana Varga. If you have any questions regarding okay, 12 Ahara Varga, Shukadhanya, Shamitanya, or the Taila Varga, Madhu Varga, Ikshu Varga, Harita Varga, Madhya Varga, Kritana Varga, or Ahara Yoni Varga, if you have any questions, ask in the comments. Next question: total number of chapters in the Charaka, Shushu Samhita Uttara Tantra. Total chapters explained by Shushruta Acharya in Shushu Samhita Uttara Tantra. Options are 30, 40, 66, and 120. Okay, it is a basic question. In Shushu Samhita, okay, we are having total 120 plus 66 chapter. Okay, total 186 chapter in Shushu Samhita. So in Uttara Tantra, okay, we are having total 66 chapter. Okay, option C is correct. If you have any questions regarding okay, Shushu Samhita, okay, basic topics means how many commentaries written on the Shushu Samhita and how many Hindi commentaries and how many Shushut commentary, Sanskrit commentary, and okay, the Itihasa of the Shushu Samhita. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. Next question: total number of Napunsaka Veda explained by Shushruta Acharya. Options are 3, 4, 5, and 8. Okay, we will get the reference of Napunsaka Veda in the Charaka Samhita and Shushu Samhita. Okay, Shushruta Acharya explained in the Shushu Samhita Sharira Sthana, second chapter 41 sloka, mainly 5 types of Napunsaka Veda explained by Shushruta Acharya, and Charaka Acharya okay, explained in the Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana 19 chapter, explained okay, total 8 types of the Napunsaka Vedas. Okay, what are the Napunsaka Veda? Okay, what is the difference between the Napunsaka Veda and Klaipya? Okay, again Charaka Acharya explained about okay, in the about Klaipya in Charaka Samhita Sutra Sthana, okay, 19th chapter, okay, mainly 4 types of Klaipya explained by Charaka Acharya and 6 types okay, Klaipya explained by Shushruta Acharya. If you want to get detailed video on the Napunsaka Veda and the okay similarities and difference between the Klaipya and Napunsaka Veda and what is the okay Shamana Chikitsa and Shodhana Chikitsa okay indicated in the Napunsaka Veda or the Klaipya Rogas, okay, Shukrava Shroto Dushti Vikara. If you have any questions, okay, comment below. If you give the okay more comments, we will explain in okay one more video. Next question: which dosha or the dhatu get vitiated first by the poison consumption? Okay, in Vishya Sevana, which dosha or dhatu get vitiated first? Options are Vata, Pitta, Kapha, and Rakta. Okay, you are asking dosha and dhatu, so correct answer is okay, Rakta get vitiated. Okay, after the snake poisoning, first dhatu get vitiated is the Rakta. Okay, if you have any questions regarding okay Sarpa or the okay Sarpa Veda, how many types of okay Sarpa explained by Charaka Acharya and Shushruta Acharya, and okay Sarpa Damsha Veda or the okay Sarpa Vishya Chikitsa, okay 24 Upakrama explained by Shushruta Acharya. If you have any questions regarding okay Agata Tantra, Vishya Chikitsa, you can ask questions in the comments. Next question: which of the following is used as an antidote for glass powder poisoning? Options are bulky food, activated charcoal, Demel scent, and chelating agent. Okay, what is the best antidote for glass powder poisoning? Correct answer is okay, it is a bulky food. Okay, it is we have taken from the okay previous year question papers. So most of the questions are okay taken from the BHU and okay Jamnagar previous year question papers. If you want to okay daily 15 MCQs related to the Charaka Samhita, Shushu Samhita, and Ashtanga Hridaya and Rasa Shastra and Dravya Guna, subscribe to our channel and be connected with us. If you first time visited our channel, please like this video and share this video to your friends and subscribe to our channel and join our membership. Okay, our membership get daily new questions on our community post and daily new previous year question papers discussion video on the live streaming. If you have any questions in the Charaka Samhita, Shushu Samhita, and Ashtanga Hridaya, ask questions in the comments. Okay, we will meet in the one more video with okay 15 new MCQs with okay different concepts. Thank you one and all. If you have any questions, comment below. Please give the feedback in the comments. Okay, and subscribe to the Ayurveda PG Basics YouTube channel. Myself Dr. Revan Siddhya Swami signing off. Thank you one and all.